Monday, June 15th, the edge of the Dire Marsh. The Legion has come 250 miles in little more than 2 weeks, not returning west to safety, but headed north toward the melted cities of the Trow and Ballos fortress. Back in Forest Heart, Ulrich convinced our officers that the west was lost, that our small force could contribute nothing to the hopeless battles that would soon be fought around Madrigal, Willow, and Tandem. These cities would fall, he said, and all their people would die whether we sacrificed ourselves or not. Then he told us what we could do instead. Ulrich was interrogated by Balor during his captivity, and he learned by chance that Balor had bound each of the fallen to himself to ensure their obedience to his will. The fallen draw their power through these links, and were Balor to be killed, they would all be powerless. The armies of the dark would collapse. So Balor must fall. But today we are only at the edge of the Dire Marsh, nearly 500 miles from his fortress, with the Watcher waiting in ambush ahead and Soulblighter shadowing us from behind. We have a long road before us. A few men and I are leaving the main column in a few moments to discover the fate of a scouting party which has not returned. None of us expect to find them alive, but we must recover an artifact carried by their leader, Griuman, Lieutenant of Archers.
Yes, sir. We're moving. We're moving. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes, sir. Yes. We're moving. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. We're moving. We're moving. Yes, sir. We're moving. Let's get them. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes. Got it. Yes. Yes. Got it. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes. Yes. We're moving. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Got it. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. We're moving. Got it.
Yes? Ready. Sir? On the way.
Yes.
Hey, step aside.
Got it.
Casualty. Casualty. Casualty.
Right away.
That! Yes. Got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. We're moving. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes. We're moving. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes. We're moving. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir? Stand clear. Hey. Ready. On the... Ready. Step aside.
Take that. Yes.
Stand clear. Right away.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes? Ready. All right. On the way.
We're moving. Yes. Got it.
Yes? Got it.
We're moving. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes. Got it. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes, sir. Your orders. Let's get them. Okay.
Step aside. All right. All right.
Casualty.
Sir?
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Casualty.
Ready. All right. Yes? Right away. Sir?
And stay down. Got it.
Ready.
We're moving. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir.
Yes? Step aside.
Got it. Yes. We're moving. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. We're moving. Got it.
Ready.
Sir, we're on it.
Sir? Right away.
Let's get them.
Stand clear. Hey, move it. Ready. On the way. Right away. All right. Yes? Sir? Ready. Right away. Right away. Ready. All right. Okay. Money.
Yes, sir. Got it. Got it. We're moving. Yes. 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 Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. We're moving. We're moving. Yes, sir. We're moving. Yes. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir.